Getting ready for my swing.
Take you up there. Listen straight.
Please.
Gayatri, back
Hi, so
again.
this time I'm gonna do swing. Let's see how amazing it's with my GoPro. I'm gonna capture everything.
So, is there anything else you want to
Yeah,
say?
it's GPS at last resort again for the second time.
I wanna run, chase the morning sun. When I'm with you, give it all away, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes, even if we're strangers till we die. I wanna run away, I wanna run away, anywhere out this place. I wanna run away, just you and I, you and
I hope the video was fun, but trust me guys, it was super scary, but I had a lot of fun while filming this entire cannon swing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and you guys can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat as well for daily travel updates and photo shoots.